Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your website to look professional, recognizable and on brand, adding a logo is non-negotiable. Okay, so in GoDaddy Websites Builder, logos are handled globally. So once you add it correctly, it appears everywhere it should. Header, mobile view and even some system pages. So most issues come from uploading the wrong file or trying to add the logo like normal image. So we will do it the right way. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add a logo to GoDaddy Website Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, open your website's editor. Okay, go to websites, select your website and click edit website. So you will have a page like this. Logo settings are managed from the header or brand panel. So click header section. So at the top of your site, click the header. Click the logo area or add logo if empty. So if a placeholder logo exists, click it to replace it. Choose upload logo and select your file. So best logo formats, PNG, SVG or JPG. Okay, so avoid screenshots, logos with white backgrounds, low resolution images, transparent backgrounds look best. Okay, so adjust logo size and alignment. So after upload and resize the logo using the slider, align left center depending on the theme, and check spacing in the header. Okay, so don't oversize. Logos should be subtle, not dominant. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.